Imagine this. You stand before a crowd, armed with logic, facts, and irrefutable truth, yet their eyes glaze over, their minds resist. Now, picture another speaker, weaving tales that stir the soul, wrapping wisdom in myth, emotion, and unshakable imagery. Who do they follow? Who holds real power? Here's the unsettling paradox. Reason alone is powerless. The human heart bows only to what it feels is true. Nietzsche knew this. Convictions are more dangerous enemies of truth than lies. So, how do you move those who refuse to be moved? The problem runs deeper than persuasion. It's a flaw in human nature. Nietzsche saw it first. People believe in the truth of all that is seen to be strongly believed. We are not rational beings who feel. We are emotional beings who rationalize. Carl Jung called it the collective unconscious, the realm of symbols, myths, and primal fears that dictate action far more than cold logic. Societies rise and fall on narratives, not facts. The mind resists, but the heart longs for meaning, for belonging, for a story that justifies its desires. So ask yourself, are you speaking to their intellect or their hunger? This is why revolutions are not won with facts, they are won with symbols. A flag, a martyr, a single cry that echoes in the bones of the oppressed. The quiet tragedy? Most never realize they're being moved at all. Cognitive science confirms it. The brain decides emotionally, then justifies logically. The more certain someone appears, the more their conviction spreads like contagion. History's greatest manipulators, prophets, demagogues, cult leaders knew this. They bypassed debate and went straight for the gut. And so the question becomes, if reason is a whisper against the roar of emotion, how do you make them feel the truth before they think it? The rebellion begins with a surrender to the fact that logic is not enough. Nietzsche's solution? One must still have chaos in oneself to give birth to a dancing star. Speak in images, not arguments. Wrap truth in legend, in metaphor, in the raw nerves of human longing. Study the poets, the orators, the myth-makers, those who shaped empires with nothing but a well-told story. Caesar didn't quote statistics. He staged spectacles. Jesus didn't lecture. He spoke in parables. The lesson? Truth must be felt before it's believed. So, will you keep shouting facts into the void? Or will you learn the language of the heart? Here is the final devastating clarity. Power does not lie in being right. It lies in making others feel you are right. The greatest truths go unheard unless they are also desired. Nietzsche's warning cuts deep. All great things must first wear terrifying masks in order to inscribe themselves on the hearts of humanity. This is the alchemy of influence. You must make them love the truth before they understand it. Not with manipulation, but with artistry. Not with force, but with seduction. So tell me, when you speak, do they listen? Or do they ache too?